I guess. Well, Facebook said to just do it myself, so here we go. Help! Where are y'all people who told me to do it myself? Help!
Get the parts in tomorrow and have this thing fixed and ready for you by Friday.
I should have just came here to begin with. I was listening to these people on Facebook who never changed a transmission in their life but knew so much about fixing it.
That's how it goes.
Then you got these people screaming, just repair your credit yourself. I'll be like, yeah, and fix your own transmission too. Fuck around and go from third gear to reverse. I'm not talking about their car, I mean their credit.